animals. Going to have a lesson about animals. Do you like animals?
Yes.
Yes? What's your favorite wild animal? Wild animal? What is that? Ce înseamnă wild animal? E un animal? Sălbatic, yes, un animal sălbatic. Now, what is your favorite one? What's your favorite wild animal? Care e animalul vostru preferat? The lion? Who said the lion?
Me.
All right, David. Okay, somebody else. Andrea, what's your favorite wild animal?
Lion.
The lion. Okay. Thea? What's yours?
Tiger.
The tiger. Okay. Andrei, what about you?
The lion.
The lion too? Okay. Anaisa, what's your favorite wild animal? Animalul sălbatic preferat.
Crocodilul.
Aha, cum spuneam la crocodil?
Mai mult calul.
The crocodile. The crocodile, yes. All right, but the horse is not really wild. Andrea, what's yours? What's your favorite wild animal, Andrea?
Nu, mai zis o dată.
Oh, yes, you said the lion, sorry. Diana?
Tiger.
The tiger. Okay, Dominic, what's yours? What's your favorite wild animal?
It's a crocodile.
The crocodile?
Yes.
All right. Good. Now, what's your favorite pet? What's your favorite pet? What is a pet? Ce înseamnă pet?
Animal.
Animal de companie. Yes. What's your favorite pet there?
The dog.
The dog? The dog.
Dog.
All right. Andrei?
The dog.
The dog. Andrea?
Cum se zice la două animale în engleză?
La ce animale?
Adică vreau să zic două animale, cum se zice?
Oh, I've got two favorite pets.
I got two favorite pets, cat and dog.
The cat and the dog. All right, great. Diana?
Cat.
The cat. Anaisa? What's your favorite pet?
Câinele.
In English?
Dog.
The?
It's a dog.
The dog, yes. And Dominique, what's yours? What's your favorite pet?
It's a cat and a dog.
Okay. All right. Now, let me share the screen. And let's start. So, we've got a picture here. Which animals can you see in the picture? The crocodile, yes.
Crocodile.
What else?
Tiger, fish, monkey.
Okay.
Tiger.
Tiger, monkey,
Monkey.
fish. What else? Monkey.
Snakes.
Snake. Yes. Alright. Cum se zice la girafă? It's a giraffe. Yeah. A giraffe. Okay. What is this big gray animal here between the trees?
Elephant.
The elephant. Yes. And the one in the water? What animal is this? It's a hippo. It's a hippo. Yes. And this small animal on the leaf? What's this?
Spider. Spider.
It's a spider. Okay. And what animal is in the tree?
Spider. Bird.
It's a bird? Yeah, what kind of bird is this?
Bird.
What kind of bird? Ce fel de pasăre este? It's a parrot. Yes, good, very well, a parrot. Okay, let's write down some words. Scriem câteva cuvinte. So, we've got a parrot, papagal, parrot, a hippo, un hippopotam, hippopotam, a monkey, maimuță, yes. And elephant, elephant.
Doamne, trebuie să scriem și noi?
Yes. Crocodile, crocodile,
I'm done.
You're done? Okay. Ready, Andrea?
Yes.
Yes? Alright.
I'm not ready.
Alright.
Ready.
Good.
I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so
I'm not ready.
all right,
I'm not ready.
finish writing, no problem. Finish writing, and the ones who are ready, cei care sunt gata, look at the picture again. Vă uitați din nou la imagine and count the animals. Numărăm animalele.
Animalele.
So count them.
Chiar și păianjenul?
Yes?
Ok.
Did you count the animals?
I'm not ready. Not ready. Yes, I am.
Alright, so how many animals are there?
12. I'm not ready.
12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. Have you got other numbers?
Sunt 15.
Where are?
Where are?
Cum spunem la 15?
15.
15. Does everybody agree? E toată lumea de acord?
I'm ready.
Okay, so yes, there are 15 animals. How many snakes are there? How many snakes are there? Câți șerpi sunt?
5.
There are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6.
6, yes.
6.
Okay, there are 6 snakes. Alright, good. Terminat toată lumea de scris?
Yes. Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Now, let's move on. We have to listen and write. Ascultăm și scriem. We have to write down some words. Trebuie să scriem câteva cuvinte. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Good. Pay attention.
Listen and write.
Hello, my name's Tom. I love animals.
We listen. Ascultăm.
We've got 3 animals.
Okay, Tom has got 3 animals. All right. He's got 3 animals. Animals. Let's see where they live. Where do they live?
They're sheep. They say ba, ba. Our sheep live in our garden.
Where do the sheep live? What could you hear? Ce-ați auzit? The sheep live in the... David, turn on your microphone so we can hear you.
Garden.
Yes, they live in the garden. Adică în grădină. The sheep live in the garden. Alright, the next question. What does Tom like to do with them? Ce-i place lui Tom să facă cu
You can come
animalele?
and see them in our garden. I like playing with them.
He likes what?
She likes to play with him.
So Tom likes playing playing with them, with the sheep. Place să se joace cu oile. Yes. All right. What are the names of the sheep? Lucy, Ben, and you have to pay attention to one more name. Trebuie să fiți atenți să mai găsiți un nume.
They have funny names. Their names are Lucy, Ben, and Pat. You spell Pat P-A-T.
Okay, what is the name of the third sheep? Cum o cheamă pe a treia oaie? Pat. Yes, how do you spell Pat? Cum scriem Pat? P-A-T. Yes, P-A-T. Pat. All right. Okay. And what do they eat? Ce mănâncă animalele? What do they eat?
They're funny sheep. They eat Mum's flowers.
What do they eat?
Flowers.
The flowers. Yes. His mom's flowers. Very well. Okay, good. Now, ready?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
All right,
Yes.
let's
No.
move. Let's move on. So, read the sentences and write animal word answers. So we have to guess the animals. Trebuie să ghicim animăluțele. There are 12. Sunt 12.
Oh.
You've got an example here. I'm green or brown, and you can find me in and next to water.
Water.
You have the first letter. Aveți prima literă dată. C. It starts with C.
Crocodile.
Aha, it's a crocodile.
Trebuie să scriem și noi?
No, you don't have to write anything. Nu trebuie să scrieți. Ok.
Mulțumesc.
No problem. Number 1. Andrea, let's read.
I'm gray and
My body
is very fit.
fat.
But I can swim.
But
But I can walk too.
what animal is this? It starts with an H. Începe cu H. H.
Hippo.
Uh-huh. It's a hippo. Yes, it's a hippo. Good. Thea, number 2.
I love in train.
I eat
It
bananas.
and I've got a pine
Tail. I've got a tail.
monkey.
It's a
Monkey.
monkey. Yes, it's a monkey. Good. Very well. Anaisa. 3. Citim la numărul 3. I'm
long.
I eat meat. I
haven't got legs.
I haven't got legs.
Yes.
All right. What animal is this? It starts with an S. Începe cu S.
Sam. A
A snake. Yeah, it's a snake. Yeah, it hasn't got legs. Nu are picioare. And it's long. Și este lung. All right, good. Diana, 4. I'm
snail
small.
and long. I eat
Insects.
I can run.
I can run.
Lion.
It's not a lion. Lions are big. This one is small. Este mic and long. And it eats insects. Mănâncă insecte. Yes, it starts with an L. Începe cu L.
Lizard.
It's a lizard. Yes. What animal is this? Ce animal este lizard?
Șopârlă.
Șopârlă. Yes. E o șopârlă. Good. Andrei, 5.
I'm small. I can fly.
I
I eat plant
Plants.
and small animals. He can sing.
I can sing.
I can sing.
So,
Bird.
It's a
Bird.
bird. It's a bird.
Bird.
Good, very well. David, 6.
I'm very small, but I've got a long tail. I can run.
Starts with an M. It's small and it's got a long tail. Tail înseamnă coadă. Yes. It's a
Șoricel.
Cum spunem la șoricel? It's a
Mouse.
mouse. Yes. It's a mouse. All right. Andreea, 7. I catch
insects and eat them.
them. I've got
I got legs.
8 legs. Yes. And it starts with an S. Începe cu S. What has got 8 legs?
Spider.
Are 8 picioare. It's a
Spider.
spider. Yes, good job. Spider. All right. 8, Dominic. 8. I've got your microphone is muted. Ai microfonul închis. I cannot hear you. All right. I've got citim. I've got
4 legs and my body is
white
white
or
or black
I say
and bad.
what animal is this? It starts with an S. Începe cu S.
Sheep.
It's a sheep, yes. It's a sheep. All right, Anaisa, 9.
9. I don't
Have
legs.
but
I got a
tail.
tail.
I can swim. I can swim. All right, and the first letter is F. Prima literă este F.
Fish.
It's a fish. Yes, it's a fish. All right. Diana, 10.
I like
Meat.
I'm red and black and
I've
got
got
a tail. Tiger.
I think it's your favorite animal. Is this your favorite animal? Or who's... Yes, it's a tiger. Yeah. Good. Andrei, 11?
I've got 4 legs.
And
I ate grass.
Grass. You
can get for me. It's a cat.
Nah, it's not a cat. You can get milk from me. What animal gives us milk?
Cow.
The cow. The cow. Da, ne dă lapte. The cow. Alright, David, 12.
I eat spiders and flies. I live next to the water. I can jump. Frog.
Frog, yes. It's a frog. Good. Very well. Do you have any questions? Aveți întrebări?
No.
No? Okay. Good, Van. Let's move on. So, we have to listen and write a name or a number. Trebuie să ascultăm și să scriem un nume sau un număr. For example, what is the girl's name? Her name is May Reed. How old is she? She is 10. Now, the first question, prima întrebare. How many pets has she got? Câte animale are?
Mum doesn't like that. She loves her flowers.
Just a second.
The sheep love them too.
Doamna, trebuie să scriem.
No, listen.
26A. How many pets?
Ascultați, vă rog.
Look at the picture. Listen and write a name or a number. There are 2 examples.
Let's listen to the examples. Ascultăm exemplele.
Hello. What's your name?
May Reed. You spell read R-E-A-D.
Thank you. And how old are you, May?
I'm 10.
You're 10?
Yes, that's right.
Alright, now, how many pets has she got? Câte animale are May? Pay attention.
Can you see the answers? Now you listen and write a name or a number. 1.
And are these your pets, May?
Yes, they are.
How many pets have you got?
I've got 18 pets.
18.
Yes.
How many pets has she got?
18.
18, yes. 18. Is this a lot? Este mult? Is it a lot to have 18 pets? No? No? Can you have 18 pets in your house?
No.
No? 18 animăluțe să le ținem în casă? What would your parents say? Ce ar spune părinții voștri? Would they allow you?
Nu știu, dar nu cred că avem loc.
Yeah, we don't have enough space for so many animals. Alright, number 2. What's her dog's name? Cum îl cheamă pe? Cățel. Let's listen.
2.
I've got some birds, a cat, and a dog too.
Wow. What's your dog's name?
Her name is Sue.
Sue. That's a nice name. Do you spell that S-U-E?
Yes.
Okay, what is the name of the dog? you understand the name? Ați înțeles numele?
No.
No? Alright. It's Sue. And you spell it S-U-E. Sue. Not Sue.
Okay, teacher.
Alright. The next one. How many mice does she have? Câți șoareci are? Pay attention to the number. Fiți atenți la număr.
Okay.
3.
I've got some pet mice too.
How many mice do you have?
I've got 5 mice now.
5?
Yes, they've got very long tails.
Alright. How many mice does she have? 5. Yes. 5 mice. Alright. Number 4. What is the name of her favorite pet? Her favorite pet is called... Let's find out.
4.
And which is your favorite pet?
My favorite pet is my crocodile. His name's Mr. Big. You spell that B-I-G. Say hello, Mr. Big.
What's the name? What's the name of the crocodile?
Mr.
Mr. Big. Yes. Yeah, Mr. Big. B-I-G. Big. Okay, and the final question. Ultima întrebare. How old is the crocodile? How old is the crocodile?
5.
And how old is your crocodile?
He's 14.
Sorry?
He's 14 now.
What does he eat?
He loves sausages.
All right. How old is Mr. Big, the crocodile? 14. Yes. Good. It's an old crocodile. Good. Very well. Now. Okay. Do you remember the questions? Mai știți întrebările? That the man asked? Mai știți? Haideți să completăm întrebările. How many have you got? Have you got? How many? What? Care a fost prima întrebare? How many? So she's got 18 of this. Are 18. 18 ce? Sheep, no. Not sheep, but
How many animals?
animals, yes. Good. How many animals? All right. Number 2. How many something do you have? 5. She had 5? Ce avea? Și erau 5 la număr. So some small animals with long tails. And they go squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak. Șoricei. Cum spunem la șoricei? Mouse când e unul singur, dar când sunt mai mulți șoricei, le spunem mice. Mice. Nu e mouses. Se formează diferit când sunt mai mulți. Da? Mice. How many mice? Alright, number 3. How many something have you got? 3.
Dacă e 3, how many?
How many? Mice? And she's got 3 of these. Let's look at the picture. What animals?
A monkey.
Monkeys.
Monkey.
Yes.
Monkey.
Alright. How many monkeys have you got? 3.
Monkey.
And how many something do you have? And the answer is 1.
Dog.
Dog? Crocodile. How many crocodiles do you have?
1 crocodile.
Yes, 1 crocodile. Good, very well. Now, do you have any pets? Voi aveți animale de companie?
Da.
Yes? Thea, what pets do you have?
No. Dogs.
2 dogs. Any pets? Diana, have you got pets?
4 cats.
4 kids. Nice. Anaisa, have you got any pets? Andrei, have you got any pets?
Eu nu am animal.
I don't have
I don't have
any pets. Any pets. Alright. Yeah, Anaisa, answer my question. Have you got any pets?
Animal.
Ai animale de companie, Anaisa?
Da, am animal. Animal, da.
Yes. What pets do you have?
Labrador. Labrador.
I have a English. Speak English, please. Speak English. So I have a
fish.
a fish. Yes, and a dog.
And the dog.
Mm-hmm.
And the cat.
And the cat. All right.
And the
Iepuri, cum spunem la iepuri?
rabbit.
Rabbits. Yes, and rabbits. All right. Andrea, have you got any pets?
Yes.
Yes. What pets have you got?
Mouse and fish.
Uh-huh. All right. David, what about you?
I have a dog,
Mm-hmm.
but it's not now here because it's la dresor.
Ah, all right. So it's taking lessons, right?
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
I have a fish, but my fish is died.
Mm-hmm. It's swimming. All right. Rebecca, have you got any pets?
Yeah.
Yeah, what pets have you got?
I am the fish.
I have a fish. All right. Good. Now, let's look at this picture and write yes or no. Let's read the sentences and see what we can find. Andrea. So let me read the examples first. Mai întâi citesc exemplele. You can see a goat on the man's t-shirt. Yes.
Yes.
And the door of the house is closed.
No.
Now it's open. Yeah, it's open. Este deschisă. Okay. Andrea, number 1.
A frog is sitting on the dog. His head.
On the dog's head.
No.
Now. Okay, good. Where is the frog sitting? Unde stă broscuța?
Pe capul
Aha, pe capul unei rațe. Și cum spunem asta? The frog is sitting
It's sitting
on the
on the
duck's head. All right, good. Diana, number 2.
There are two
Giraffes
giraffes in the window. Yes.
Yes, good, very well. Thea, number 3.
One cat
Cat
is
is sleeping in the tree. One cat is sleeping in the tree.
No.
Yes or no?
No.
No, they are not sleeping. Nu dorm pisicuțele. All right.
De pe acoperiș doarme.
Aha, the one on the roof. The one on the roof is sleeping. Good, very well. Rebecca, number 4.
You can see a crocodile on the water.
In the water.
In the water.
Mm-hmm. Is there a crocodile in the water?
Yes.
Yes, there is. Okay, good. Andrei, 5.
A bird is.
A bird is under
Under the cow.
the cow. A bird is under the cow. Ce înseamnă under? Sub. Yes. Is the bird under the cow?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Good. Very well. All right. Now. So one more exercise and we are done. Mai facem un exercițiu și am terminat. Now, we have to read the words and see if there is one object or two objects. Trebuie să vedem dacă vorbim despre un obiect sau două. Okay, dress. Dress. Is there one or two?
One.
One. Yes, one dress. Toys. One or two?
Two toys.
Two toys. Yes. Good. Two toys. Story. One or two? Story. One. Yes. Good. Babies. One or two? Two. Yes.
Two.
Good. Family. One or two? One. Yes. One family. Good. Day. One or two? Day. One. Yes. Good. Tails. One or two?
Oh.
Two. Alright, good, very well. Deci, cum ne dăm seama când sunt mai multe?
Când este S la sfârșit.
Unde este S la sfârșit, yes. Da? Când avem S la sfârșitul cuvântului, înseamnă că sunt mai multe. Da? Două sau mai multe. Alright, good, very well. Now, we'll stop here. Da? O să ne oprim aici. This is all for today. Asta e tot pentru azi. Have you got any questions? Aveți întrebări? No. Alright, then I'll see you next week. Ne vedem săptămâna viitoare. Bye. Have a nice day.